Hey YouTube, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is the start of my new series that I'm doing. It's called Practice, 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 and it's all about FPV. It's just going to be me practicing. I'm going to be practicing with lots of different drones, and it could be HD footage on a GoPro, and it could be goggle footage, and it's just going to be me practicing. And I'm going to take a bunch of flights and record and just edit it into awesome videos. And it's nothing special. It's just me practicing and getting better. And it's my new series, and this is episode 1 of the new series called Practice, Practice, Practice FPV. And so I got this drone going, so there's going to be some footage on there of that at a park I was at the other day. This is my Beta FPV Meteor 65. I was just flying this around here in my garage, so I got some of that footage. And my son was flying in the house the other day, so there might be some of that footage. And my 5-inch drone is over there. It's waiting on a new VTX, and my Copus Mini's not working since that last crash at the silos. But yeah, guys, this is my new series called FPV Practice, 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 and we're going to be flying all different kinds of drones and getting HD footage and GoPro footage and Insta360 Go footage. And on the little one here, all I can do on this one is goggle footage. So anytime I'm flying this, it's always going to be goggle footage. And I haven't found a good way to put the Insta360 Go on this yet. It will carry it, but I like to put it vertical, and I haven't found the proper mount for it yet. So this will be a goggle footage most of the time too, for right now, until I figure out how to put the Insta360 Go on it. But yeah, guys, that's enough of me rambling. Let's check out some of this practice sessions that I've had at different parks and in my garage and in my house, and let's check it out and see what we think. That was just several different drones at several different locations, and it's just me practicing. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video.